Welcome to RX Pharma. Today we are going to discuss some important questions for pharmacist competitive exams. So the first question is, which of the following critical neurotransmitters play major role in depression? So which neurotransmitters play major role in depression? So we know that depression is a CNS disorder. So it is caused due to the deficiency of various neurotransmitters in our brain. Those neurotransmitters are 5-HT, 5-hydroxytryptamine, or it is otherwise known as serotonin, dopamine, and also noradrenaline or norepinephrine. So depression is caused due to the deficiency of 5-HT, dopamine, and noradrenaline. So our correct answer is option B. The next question is, a 55-year-old man is undergone DOTS therapy for pulmonary tuberculosis for the last 4 months. Now he has developed some symptoms of peripheral neuritis. Which of the following is the right addition to his therapy to manage the peripheral neuritis? So DOTS therapy is related to therapy of tuberculosis, and we know that the first line anti-TB drugs are isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide, ethambutol, and streptomycin. So majority of these drugs causes depletion of vitamin B6, which is known as pyridoxine. Okay, so the deficiency of vitamin B6 may lead to peripheral neuritis. It is the pain. Okay, so the drug given will be pyridoxine. So pyridoxine supplement will decrease the peripheral neuritis formed due to the various drugs used in TB. So the correct answer is vitamin B6, and it's option number C. The next question is, what is the primary mechanism of action of local anesthetics? So what is local anesthetic? Local anesthetics are agent which when applied to a particular area or a particular part of a body whereby inhibit all the impulse or pain sensations in that particular area in which it is applied. So we know that the nerve impulse will be transmitter or action potential will be generated due to voltage gated sodium channel, opening of voltage gated sodium channel. So the mechanism of action will be just inhibiting the voltage gated sodium channel. Voltage gated sodium channel. So the answer will be option number B. So these local anesthetic act on the cell membrane. It is the one of the point we should remember. So the next question is, which of the following anti-arrhythmic drugs act by inhibiting potassium, sodium, and calcium channel? We know that arrhythmia is a CVS disorder. There is abnormality in the rhythm of heart. Okay, there is abnormality in the normal rhythm of heart. So in this ask, which drug inhibit sodium, potassium, and calcium channel? So the answer will be option number C, amiodarone. Amiodarone is the anti-arrhythmic drug which inhibit potassium, sodium, and calcium channel. The all other drugs, quinidine, lidocaine, flecainide, inhibit sodium channel. Okay, so amiodarone is the drug which inhibit potassium, sodium, and calcium channel. Next question is, a 48-year-old woman is having symptoms of weight gain, cold intolerance, constipation, bradycardia, puffy face, lethargy, and dry skin. So it is asked, these symptoms are suggestive of which of the following disease or which of the following condition? The correct answer is option B, hypothyroidism. In hypothyroidism, we can see weight gain, cold intolerance, constipation, bradycardia, puffy face, lethargy, and dry skin. Okay, so in hyperthyroidism, we can see weight loss, hot intolerance or unable to tolerate hot conditions, laxative effect, tachycardia. It will be the direct opposite of hypothyroidism. Okay, thank you.